Have you ever felt scared just by seeing something that reminds you of a bad memory, even if it didn't hurt you directly? Imagine a child gets stung by a wasp. From that day on, even seeing the nest makes her anxious. Why? Because her brain linked the bad memory to the nest. That's called emotional inference. Scientists Xiaowei Gu and Joshua Johansson in Japan wanted to understand how the brain does this. So they trained rats with a simple setup. First, they played a sound and showed a picture. No fear. Later, they showed the picture with a mild shock. Now the rats feared the picture. The next day, they played the sound alone and the rats froze in fear. This showed the rats could infer danger from the sound, even though it never caused harm directly. The key brain area? The medial prefrontal cortex, or MPFC. It works with the amygdala, which handles basic emotions. When researchers blocked the MPFC, rats couldn't make the connection anymore. This proves the MPFC helps us make complex emotional links, just like humans do. This amazing discovery could help us understand anxiety, trauma, and how we form emotional memories. Our brains aren't just reacting, they're predicting, connecting, and learning. Pretty cool, right? Hit like if your brain just learned something new.